Hello everyone, in front of me is HMD XR21 and let me show you how to boot developer options. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select about phone, and here locate more options. Now find build number and tap on it 7 times. After that, provide your screen lock pattern, PIN code or the password, whatever you use, and as you can see from now on, you are a developer. Let's go back, and now you can find developer options under System. Click to open, and here they are. Enroll and use them as only you wish. So just customize your device however you like. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.